Hi everyone, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching SUNMI's new song called Lalalay. Make sure you subscribe for more dance tutorials, more dance covers, as well as follow me on Instagram. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's get started. So, to start the chorus, you're going to do this. And this is going to be on the 8th beat. So basically your legs are spread apart, kind of like shoulder length. Your weight is centered and your hands are in front of your chest like this. You're going to punch out with your right wrist. And as you do that, you want to make sure that the back of your fingers are facing forward. So you're not punching like this, you're punching like this, okay? Then after the next 8 beats, it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so basically you're here, and then for 1, we're gonna jump down like this. So you're gonna bend your knees, your weight is still centered, and your hands are gonna go behind your legs like this and still in fist. So it's gonna look like 1. And then for 2, you're gonna do this. So you're basically going to pop your butt out to the left side, and at the same time, your heel is gonna go outside as well. So you do that, right? Okay, and then for the 3rd beat, you also do the same thing. So you just jump down and your weight into neutral. And then for the 4th beat, you're gonna do this. So it's the same thing. It's just that you're going to do your right side, like your butt is gonna go out to the right side, and your right heel is gonna come out. Okay, so for the 4 beats, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then for 5, 6, you're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 5, your right leg is gonna step back, and your hand is you're gonna point your index finger out, and your hand is gonna go up. It's gonna go in a circle like this way. Okay, so it's gonna go in a circle and then point to the back. Okay, so for your body, for 5, you don't really move. For your 6, you want to sit your butt towards the back, and you're going to really bend your back. So it's going to look like 5, 6. And as you do that, you can raise your chin a little bit as well. So it looks like 5, 6. Okay, for 7 and 8, your right leg is just going to step in, and your hand is basically going to reverse the route. So it's going to look like 7 and then down. So you're gonna come forward, and you're going to do the same circle but backwards and then come down. Okay, so it's gonna look like 7 and 8. By the way, when you're going back, your left hand is here by your legs. Okay, so let's do 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that 8 beats again. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Then for the next 8 beats, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So first for the 8 beats. For the 8th beat of the last 8 beats, your legs are closed, right? So you're gonna step out with your left leg. For the first 5 beats, you're going to move to the left and move to the right. But you're gonna accentuate your right movement, okay? So it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right? And then as you do that, your arms are going to come up like this. So for 1, 2, you're gonna grab your hair if your hair is down here. Okay, so your fingers are gonna be up to grab your hair. And every single time you go to the right side, when your movement is accentuated, your fingers are gonna turn like this. Okay, so basically, when you're grabbing your hair, you're going to grab your hair with index finger and your thumb, and the other 3 fingers are just up like this, and you want to make your hands look like your wrist is bending backwards, so not like this, but like this, okay? So you're gonna grab your hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And then for 6, it's gonna look a little bit different because for the first 5 beats, our arms are out like this, where this part is horizontal, right? For 6, you're still gonna twist it, but you're gonna kind of lean your arms this way, okay? And then same, your butt also leans to this way as well. So let's do beats 1 to 6. So it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And the 7, 8 is the same thing. You just go to the left side and go to the right side. Got it? Let's review the 8 beats again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's review the first part of the chorus. So you're going to do 8 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay, so after that, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so this looks a little bit complicated, but it's not too bad. So basically, for 1, we're going to step out and back with our right leg, and your hands are here by your chest. And you're gonna open your chest a little bit, so it looks like 1, okay? And you're gonna face this way, so 1. And then for 2, you're going to combine your left leg with your right leg. So 2. And as you do that, your hands are going to go down and touch your legs, kind of close to your knees. You're going to bend your knee as well. And here your back is going to be rounded. So think that for the first beat, you're going to open your chest, and for the second beat, you're going to close your chest. So it looks like 1, 2. Okay. Then for beats 3, 4, 5, you're going to move your butt like this. So it looks like 3, 4, 5. So basically, you want to think that your butt is, moving like this way. You want to accentuate your butt when it's moving outside, like facing the audience. So let's say you're starting from here, you're gonna move up and out and then come in. So this is 3, and then when you come in, it's 4, and then when you move out, it's 5, okay? So it looks like 1, I don't know if you can see that. So basically, let me just do that again. So you're gonna move like this. And then when you're in the process of moving out, it's 3. And then when you move inside, it's 4. And then when you move out again, it's 5. So it looks like 1, 2, it looks like 3, 4, 5. Okay? And make sure that you really bend your knees. And when you're like moving your butt out and like up, you're gonna straighten your knees. Does that make sense? And also, when your butt is up, you're gonna bend your back a lot more. So it looks like 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then for 6, you're going to drop your knees to the floor like this, and you're going to bend your back backwards, and your hands are gonna go to the side like this, and your head is gonna look up. So it's gonna look like 6, right? Or actually 6. Like, don't try not to lift your knees up the floor. So 6, okay? And then for 7, you're gonna come up. And then for 8, you're going to do this. So your right hand is gonna be behind your right leg, and your left leg is gonna be up like this, and your left hand is gonna be on your knees, okay? And your head is gonna tilt to the right side. So this is 8. Okay, for the next 8 beats, it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you're here, you're going to move your knee in for 1 beat and move it back for the second beat, and then move in for the third beat, and then move it back for the fourth beat. And this entire time, you're kind of leaning backwards, but you're using your right hand to support you. And your head is still tilted to the right, okay? And you wanna like appear kind of sexy when you're doing this. Make sure you're bending your back so you look really slim. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for 5, 6, you're just gonna come up like this. And you're gonna grab your hair again. Same like posture, hand posture as before, where you grab your hair with your index finger and your thumb, and your other 3 fingers are out like this, and make sure you bend your wrist. So 5, 6, and for 7, 8, you're gonna do the same thing where you like move to or like lean towards the left side, and you also want to like make sure that you're feeling it in your obliques. Okay, so like you're squeezing your left side. So 7, and then 8, you just go to the other side, 8 like this. Now let's do the second part of the chorus together. So it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's review the entire chorus together. So you do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, that's it for today's dance tutorial on Sunmi's Lalalay. I hope you were able to learn the dance, and I feel like this chorus is pretty easy and it's not too fast. So with enough practice, I believe that you'll do really well. I believe in you. So make sure you subscribe for more dance tutorials. Share this video with a friend if you feel like they find it helpful. And every single time I read your comments, I just feel so good, and like I feel really grateful for your attention, and it's just a really good feeling. So if you can, please leave me a thought down below, either as feedback, just how you're feeling, anything. And yeah, I just want to say that my channel has grown a lot, I feel, in the past few months. When I first started seriously making dance tutorials, I only had like 100 subscribers, and now we have over like more than 2,000. And obviously it's still a very small channel, and it's still a very long way to go, but I just want to say I'm grateful for you guys watching my content in this market where it's super saturated. So thank you, and I hope that you'll continue to learn more dances with me. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.